Hi, I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur, and today is Tip Tuesday, where every Tuesday I'll be bringing you new tips to help you in your embroidery business. So today's tip is to use Pinterest to organize all your files as a visual representation of what you have. So as you can see, I pulled up my Pinterest board and I have a section for Christmas designs, monogram frames, embroidery fonts, birthday, back to school. As you can see, the list goes on and on. I do a lot of applique, so that's where all these are from. And then I have my monogram fonts, and so what you can see is I've saved a picture of all my fonts. I am such a visual person that I forget what curls is, or fancy, or graceful looks like. And especially if I'm looking for a specific letter in someone's monogram, I just go to my Pinterest board and I scroll through and I've saved it exactly from the digitizer. So when I purchase a font or any type of design, I save it directly to my Pinterest board from their website. So you can just click on the picture usually and save it directly from the website. So like for example, I know this font is from Applique Embroidery. This one, they put a watermark but Applique mark it. And the list goes on and on. This visual not only helps you see what you have, see what the letters are like, but it helps you say for some reason your computer would crash. You have a kind of a list of everything you have, and you can go straight to those digitizers and re-download your stuff. So my biggest tip for Tip Tuesday is to use Pinterest to your advantage and organize it. I can see exactly what I have, and you can also use it as a way to offer it to customers. You can tell them to go to your Pinterest and pick out a font, pick out the applique they want from your design. So it's a win-win for everybody. You get to see everything you have, and it even might keep you from rebuying things, or you might see that I have 3 reindeer. Do I really need another one? So that's my tip. Use Pinterest not only as a good way to put your products out there, but a way to organize your files, your fonts, your appliques, to make your life a lot easier so you can actually see what you have and see what things look like. So thank you so much for joining me. Please hit the subscribe button. We would love to have you here. I do lots of embroidery, applique, monogram tutorials, as well as small business tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching Tip Tuesday. Tune in next week. I'm going to show you exactly how to fake a sample, and no one will know the difference. So make sure you hit subscribe with the notifications for next week.